There's a spot on the world map that keeps getting deleted 6 times in the last decade, and nobody will explain why. Let's get right into it. Somewhere in the middle of a dense, uninhabited forest lies a tiny clearing that shouldn't matter to anyone. No buildings, no villages, nothing but trees. Yet digital maps, from navigation apps to high-resolution satellite platforms, have all mysteriously removed this exact point multiple times. Users first noticed it when old versions of the map showed the clearing, but newer updates replaced it with a blurry green patch, as if someone hastily painted over it. The weirdest part, whenever the spot reappears, it stays for just a few days before disappearing again, like someone is constantly erasing it. Curiosity eventually pushed cartographers and amateur explorers to investigate. The few who reached the coordinates reported something unsettling. The clearing is perfectly circular, almost unnaturally so, with soil darker than the surrounding ground. Trees grow outward in a ring, leaning away as if repelled from the center. When drones were flown overhead, their footage glitched at the exact same radius, every single time. Analysts who reviewed the footage said the interference didn't look digital, it looked magnetic, like the air itself was warping signals around the area. Historians uncovered hints that the clearing wasn't always empty. Old military logs from the 1960s mentioned a classified operation labeled Project Echofall, supposedly conducted in a region matching the same coordinates. The document fragments describe energy disturbances, localized field reversals, and a structure that was later dismantled. But no blueprints, no photographs, and no personnel lists survived. Locals from nearby towns claimed their grandparents spoke of strange lights above the forest at night, lights that floated, flickered, and vanished whenever officials arrived. Scientists who recently visited the site discovered something even more baffling. The soil at the center of the clearing reacts strongly to metal objects. Compasses spin uncontrollably, phones shut down, even analog watches start ticking in reverse for a few seconds. When geophysicists detected pulses beneath the ground, steady, rhythmic, and too regular to be natural. It was as if something mechanical or alive was buried deep beneath the clearing. Some suggested an underground machine. Others whispered about a controlment chamber. None of their hypotheses explained why the location keeps getting erased from every digital system. Attempts to dig into the center of the clearing were quickly abandoned. Equipment refused to penetrate the soil, drills overheated within minutes, and ground-penetrating radar returned a blank void, as if the space beneath the surface didn't exist. Within 24 hours of the research team uploading their findings, the coordinates vanished from online maps again. This time, not just blurred, completely replaced by trees that don't match the actual satellite imagery of the region. Someone, or something, clearly doesn't want this place visible. So if nothing important is supposed to be in that clearing, then why does the world keep trying to erase it?